Some cars and trucks have a powered rear hatch or trunk that opens with the touch of a button. Here are 2 tips you can use behind the counter if you get a shop that is struggling with one of these systems. Remember, all the system components, including the lift struts, latch, and motor drive, are designed together to ensure smooth operation. The system can sense movement and current draw of the motor. If the system detects an issue, it might assume that there is an obstruction in the path of the hatch, or someone is pushing down. When this happens, the system might try to open the hatch fully or deactivate the feature altogether. It might alert the driver with a warning light or message in the driver information center. If the hydraulic power lift struts are weak or leaking, it could cause similar symptoms. But what if they continue to experience these problems after the system lift struts have been replaced? Ask them this one question. In what directions are the new units facing? Shaft up or shaft down? Shaft down means the shaft goes into the body of the strut. In the case of a rear hatch, the body of the unit would attach to the body of the vehicle, and the shaft would attach to the hatch, hood, or even gate. Shaft down is the preferred installed position. This is because to achieve the dampening or cushion at the end of the lift stroke, the piston assembly inside the lift support must travel through the oil at the end of the stroke. Shaft down orientation ensures that the oil is in the proper location for the dampening to occur. Installing the shaft up direction can cause the unit not to work properly. Turning the strut 180 degrees can return the system to operating condition. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.